Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best hydrating mask is probably one of the most sought-after hair treatments on the market, and for good reason. This mask promises to transform dry, damaged hair into a silky, hydrated mane. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the Moroccan Oil Hydrating Mask, exploring its ingredients, application, and, most importantly, the results. Get ready to discover if this mask is the holy grail your hair has been waiting for. Number 5. Bellisso Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. Want sleek, brilliant hair? This set is rich in argan oil, boosting shine and softness. Turn heads and get the attention you deserve with this amazing product. This shampoo and conditioner set uses Moroccan argan oil, known for centuries to boost shine and protect hair. It nourishes and protects, offering essential care for your hair. Experience the benefits of a sulfate-free formula. This set is gentle on your scalp and won't strip your hair of moisture. Plus, it's never tested on animals. If you have dry, damaged hair, this set can restore shine and moisture. It helps reverse damage and smooth frizz by nourishing each strand from the inside out. Say goodbye to frizzy hair. Looking for a professional shampoo and conditioner? This product is salon-grade quality, formulated with hair restoration experts. Upgrade your hair care routine and see incredible results at home. What we like? This shampoo and conditioner set is designed to give your hair incredible shine and softness. It is also sulfate and paraben-free, making it gentle on your scalp. If you are looking to reverse the signs of damage and smooth frizz, you should consider this product. What people say. Leaves your hair nice and soft. My hair is silky soft. It leaves my hair clean, soft, and silky, lustrous. Number 4. K18 Hair Mask, repairs damaged hair. Is your hair dry and damaged? This mask is designed to repair your hair from the inside out. It reverses damage from bleach, color, and heat. This leave-in molecular hair mask is a game changer. It works at the molecular level to repair broken keratin chains. It's like a reset for your hair. Whether it's from bleach, color treatments, chemical services, or heat styling, this mask has you covered. It's formulated to address all types of damage. The mask is a leave-in treatment, making it super convenient. Simply apply it to your hair and let it work its magic. You'll see and feel the difference. Get ready for healthier, stronger, and more resilient hair. This mask will transform your hair, leaving it looking and feeling its best. Try it today. What we like? This mask is designed to repair dry or damaged hair. It reverses hair damage from bleach, color, chemical services, and heat. If you have damaged hair from any of these sources, you should consider this product. What people say. Make hair soft and smooth. After just a few uses, I noticed a dramatic difference in the strength and smoothness of my hair. It brought life back to my ends, reduced frizz, and made my hair feel softer than it has in years. Number 3. Moroccan Oil Weightless Hydrating Hair Mask. Tired of dry, lifeless hair? This mask is designed to revitalize and hydrate your hair. It's a weightless formula that will leave your hair feeling soft and manageable. This mask is suitable for all hair types, providing deep hydration without weighing your hair down. The formula is enriched with argan oil, which helps to restore elasticity and shine. Unlike other heavy masks, this one provides intense hydration without feeling greasy. You'll love how light and airy your hair feels after using it. Apply a generous amount to clean, towel-dried hair. Comb through and let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and enjoy the results. Transform your hair with this hydrating mask. It will leave your hair feeling nourished, revitalized, and full of life. Try it today and see the difference. What we like? This mask provides weightless hydration to your hair. It restores moisture and adds shine. If you like a product that hydrates without weighing your hair down, you should consider this. What people say. This mask is amazing for dry hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and hydrated. It smells great. Number 2. BONDOX Dark Brown Color Depositing Mask. This deep conditioning mask is specially designed for damaged hair. It helps restore elasticity and improve flexibility, leaving your hair looking healthier. The mask deposits a rich, dark brown color, perfect for enhancing your natural shade. It adds vibrancy and shine, giving you a glossy finish. Enriched with almond oil, this mask provides intense hydration and shine. The oil softens, strengthens, and protects each strand, reducing frizz and adding smoothness. It also includes marine seaweed collagen, which deeply penetrates and repairs hair structure. This boosts resilience and elasticity for healthier-looking hair. The mask is formaldehyde-free, making it a safe option for color-treated or dull hair. Use it regularly to maintain your shade and enjoy long-lasting hydration. What we like. This color-depositing mask is perfect for those with damaged, dark brown hair. It enhances elasticity and is formaldehyde-free. If you are looking to maintain your shade while ensuring lasting hydration and flexibility, you should consider this. What people say. It left my hair so shiny, frizz went away and I can literally come out of the shower and let my hair dry naturally and it looks so good. It's moisture so my hair is super soft after I dry it. This product was good at taming frizz and it actually did enhance my brown hair color, especially on the ends. Number 1. ALFHEIM Lavender Plus Purple Hair Mask. This mask is designed to instantly counteract yellow and brassy tones. It brightens blonde, silver, and pastel hair, leaving it refreshed and vibrant after each use. The rich, creamy formula penetrates deeply to restore strength and moisture. It helps repair damage from coloring and heat styling, leaving your hair soft and hydrated. Infused with lavender essential oil, it calms the scalp and soothes the senses. The gentle floral aroma creates a relaxing, spa-like experience, restoring natural harmony and shine. Formulated with grapeseed oil, quinoa extract, and vitamin E, it strengthens hair fibers. It smooths frizz and protects against dullness, restoring softness and long-lasting luminosity. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated without harsh chemicals. Packaged in eco-conscious materials, it promotes sustainable beauty while respecting your hair and the planet. What we like. This mask is designed for blonde, silver, and color-treated hair. It offers deep repair and hydration with botanical lavender serenity. If you are looking to counteract yellow and brassy tones while brightening your hair, you should consider this product. What people say. It does makes my hair silky, soft, and smooth. Hair is shiny, healthy looking, and very soft. It does leave my hair feeling soft and manageable, and has been great for moisturizing my scalp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.